Right? Got this chair. Oh, chair. Workout bench. Hey. Go. Nice. Yay! That wasn't too hard. That wasn't too bad. Now I have a workout bench. Took about 10 minutes to assemble. It's bigger than I thought actually, but it's pretty great. You put this down, you hook your legs here, you can do sit-up, you can do chest, rows, everything. Okay. I got a mattress topper. This is a gel mattress topper. I'm gonna put it on top of my mattress because it's getting really hot, and I think that's a big reason why the heat rash and stress was happening. I slept on the floor and it got much better. So I'm assuming something that's cooling like this. Yeah, I've been sleeping on the floor again, which is really sad because I just got my bed. But maybe I'm meant to sleep on the floor, it humbled me. Occasionally, I'll sleep on this to cool down my head also. I also got a side table. I read one of the reviews online that said because this is so heavy and squishy, a baby that went under almost got suffocated. So if you have kids, you want to make sure, or pets, you want to make sure nothing's going under it when you're applying this. Oh, wow. Texture is so pretty. It's like a little marble, like it's like those slime ASMRs. But I'm going to sleep on it. That's awesome. I really hope this is cooling. Oh, it's very soft. I don't know if this is gonna be good for me. Is it cooling? My light's supposed to come today too for the room because this room does not have this ceiling light. Cute. I also saw Wonho's new music. I think I saw Losing You, and then today more trailers came out, and I was like, this man is so buff. Like, what does he eat? Probably a lot, but yeah, we stand. Muscles and makeup, that's the trend. That's what I want to be. And there's so much pressure for men to be masculine and not feminine, especially Asian men. They want to succeed in the media. So I think slowly we're getting there with more representation and more people in the market that can showcase both. That's what I really love, you know? Because as people in general, we're not confined to just one type of expression. We're so complex. We have so many facets to label yourself as just a manly man or a feminine man. Lamp? Cute. Oh, my food's here. So this is LA right now. There was a fire in NorCal and also around the mountains. So it's really bad right now. It's very hazy, foggy. I think it was caused by a gender reveal party, the one in NorCal. I think another reason why we should have gender reveal parties during a pandemic anyways. Just got my acai bowl. I added some peanut butter granola on top because every time I order something I just want to add extra stuff on top to make the meal last longer. You know what I'm saying? Do you guys do that too? Sometimes I'll add a bit of sunflower seeds, some chia seeds, and some usually I'll just add granola because I'm too lazy. Today I'm just gonna eat this because I need the energy to clean up the space. So pretty! Yay! I've tried to replace this, but it was leaking, so I have to kind of take this part out and redo it. Oh no! Okay, I think this is how you're supposed to do it. Ah! There we go. You kind of like tighten it really thin. Kind of creates a seal so that the water doesn't. Oh! It's actually kind of cool when you think about how things work. I feel like I steered so much away from home stuff because my parents always wanted me as a boy to do it so much, and I just kept moving away from it because I'm like, no, I don't want to do that. It's actually quite useful if you think about it. It's like survival skills. Oh, oops. Yay! I'm very pleased with myself. Small victories. Check off the day. That was great. If anybody's wondering, this part right here will filter out the minerals, hard water, and then comes on super fine. Water like this, it actually did not reduce the water pressure at all, and actually it's quite soft to the hair and to the skin. If your skin and your hair gets really crunchy after just washing, you might have really hard water where, depending on where you live, and that might cause kind of like calcification of the scalp. Whether or not you believe in it, that's what I believe in. So use that to filter out any of those minerals. I just filmed this look right here. Very inspired by, I don't know, Raze and Diana from League of Legends. For a while I was like, why am I putting on makeup? Because I'm not gonna go see anyone. But after playing with it a little bit more, I'm like, wait, this is what I love. This is what I love to play with. Like, it's kind of like painting on your face. And it's really therapeutic. Just sitting with no music, no podcast, no videos in the background. Just you and yourself and a brush. I really just forgot how nice that feels. Today I'm going to be using this new cleanser by Biossance. It's like an oil cleanser that turns milky. I've been using it for a couple weeks now and I really like it. So I'm gonna just apply it on my skin because you can tell I'm wearing a full face right now. Really gorgeous. It's a gorgeous pink that is because of the elderberry extract in here, and it's a great antioxidant and skin soothing agent. replenish the microbiome of the skin. You can use this on dry if you want to remove waterproof makeup, and I'm just gonna show you. Squalane from Biossance is sustainably derived and always plant derived. It's derived from sugarcane instead of traditional shark liver, and squalane really agrees with my skin. It's just a very lightweight oil that doesn't break me out and doesn't leave a film on my skin, so I really enjoy Squalane products. You can see, look at this texture. It's a gorgeous texture. Just gonna apply dry. And there is no artificial fragrance, nor is there any fragrance like from essential oils. You can just tell it just breaks everything down. I'm trying to get the eyeliner, but you might need a Q-tip for that. I just love the texture of this cleanser. It's kind of like an oil jelly, and it just emulsifies really quickly when it touches water. So in the morning time, I actually will emulsify in my hands first before applying. But if I'm wearing full face of makeup, I apply dry just to break down all of that makeup and sunscreen in the day. The moment you touch water, it becomes a milky texture. If I am in the shower, I will go ahead and double cleanse with the Squalane plus Elderberry Jelly Cleanser. You can use it in the daytime too. It's a great morning cleanser because it's so gentle. It doesn't strip the skin. So I'm gonna hop in the shower and double cleanse and continue with my night routine. Feels so nice, and my skin feels so clean without feeling tight. I've been loving this Artemisia and Rice Essence Toner. Artemisia and Rice is pretty cooling for the skin. Since I got that heat rash a while back, I've been using this to just calm my skin down. There's no fragrance. A bunch of hyaluronic acid in there, a couple of different kinds. Just helps like hydrate and plump the skin without feeling heavy. And then I'm not gonna use any actives today because I do want my skin to be quite calmed. For moisturizer, I'm gonna go in with this Green Tea Aqua Soothing Gel Cream by Cosrx. It's very watery, so it's not gonna clog your pores or anything. It's also very lightweight, contains green tea and as an antioxidant, and glycerin or allantoin and aloe to calm the skin. And allantoin is a great skin soothing ingredient. So is aloe, just helps with inflammation. To top it off, I'm gonna go in with this Biossance Squalane Plus Peptide Eye Gel. This is nothing new, you've seen me use this a couple times already. Contains caffeine and squalane to just help depuff and just boost circulation around the eyes a little bit. Again, Milia, I don't like anything too nourishing for my skin. I find that when it's very heavy, it kind of makes the eye area quite uncomfortable. Just tap in. And that's about it for my nighttime routine. It's been pretty simple, honestly. Occasionally I'll add in some, some other exfoliants. But yeah, I have been really enjoying the Biossance Squalane Plus Elderberry Jelly Cleanser. It really is amazing. The texture is so fun, so amazing, and it's fragrance free, completely fragrance free. So it's great for people with sensitive skin, and if you wear minimal makeup, you can get off with just one cleanse because it takes off waterproof too. Don't forget to check it out at Sephora.com or Biossance.com. I will continue vlogging. It seems that you guys are enjoying more like these kind of lifestyle vlogs, and I've been loving making it because I slowly, when the place is more put together, I'll do a house tour as well, and I hope you stay tuned for that. But thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Dancing slowly in the